Hi, I'm Mike Tortorese, Director of Marketing at Infront Webworks. If you're new to SEO, probably the best place to start is with a website audit. Obviously, you know ranking on Google is extremely important if you have a business. It's a way to get found online, and it's a way to increase your bottom line. If your website doesn't meet the grade, then chances are you're losing out on a lot of business. Our free website evaluations give you ideas of why you're not ranking on Google, what Google's looking for essentially. Are your title tags too long? Are they too short? Are your H1s formulated properly? Everything from alt tags to broken links on your website, it will tell you what you need to fix. Google hates a website that doesn't work well with users. What Google is trying to do is serve you the best results based on your query or your question when you type it into the search box. If your website doesn't meet the grade, what happens is Google devalues your website and decides that it is not quite ready for that #1 spot or even the first page, maybe not even the second in this case. What you can do with the website audit is go through it step by step and start to fix those issues. This will give you a good grasp of what's going on with your website and why it's not ranking and what you can do to achieve better results, which will obviously equal more sales, whether you're a brick and mortar store or an online e-commerce store. If you're ready to get started with a free website evaluation, we would love to help. Fill out the form below and we'll be in touch shortly with a full audit. It's a great way to get your website ranking quickly.